In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a booking form to Google Sites. We'll walk through the process step by step. So by the end, you'll have a working booking form embedded directly on your site, ready for visitors to fill out. This is perfect for appointments, consultations, events, or any situation where people need to reserve a time or spot with you. First, open your browser and go to Google Sites. If you're already signed into your Google account, you'll be taken to the main Google Sites homepage, where you can see all the sites you've created or that have been shared with you. If you're not signed in, just log into your Google account and then you'll land on that same page. Next, look for the site you want to add your booking form to. On the Google Sites home screen, you'll see a list or grid of your existing sites. Take a moment to make sure you're choosing the correct one, especially if you have multiple similar sites, like different event pages or business pages. Once you've found the right site, click on it to open it in the editor. When your site opens, you'll see the editing interface with a preview of your page in the middle and various options around it. On the left-hand side, there's a column with different options and tools. In that left column, find and click on the option labeled Forms. This is where Google Sites lets you connect and embed Google Forms that you've already created in your Google account. After clicking Forms, a panel will open showing the forms available to you. These are typically your recent or owned Google Forms. Look through the list and locate the booking form you want to use. This might be something you've already set up in Google Forms with fields like name, email, preferred date and time, and any extra details you need from your visitors. Once you've found that booking form, click on it to select it. With the booking form selected, you'll see an option to insert it into your page. Go ahead and click on Insert. Google Sites will place the form directly onto the page you're editing. You can then drag to reposition it or use the corners to resize it so it fits nicely with the rest of your content. When you're happy with how it looks, make sure to publish or update your site so visitors can start using your new booking form right away.